Okay, in this video, we want to find the inverse transform of the function fs is equal to 2 parentheses s minus 1 times e raised to negative 2s divided by s squared minus 2s plus 2. And to the right is the table we went over a couple of videos back that we will use as a reference. So the first thing we want to do is break down s squared minus 2s plus 2 into something that we can actually use. And so typically we would focus on this s squared minus 2s, and instead of just factoring out an s, what we say is parentheses s minus 1 squared. This would allow us to get s squared minus 2s plus 1. And here we have plus 2. So now what we need to do is add 1. And so the next thing we're going to do is kind of separate everything out into pieces. So we have a 2, we put that here, 2 times s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 squared plus 1, this, times e raised to negative 2s. And now we got to see, does it match anything in our table? So s minus 1 divided by s minus 1 squared plus 1 would be very close to this. So we have, if a is 1, that would work. S is here also, and then b is also 1. So this is a match. And e raised to negative 2s. You may think this would work, but we're not dividing by s, so it doesn't work. And so we'll use this. So e raised to negative 2s times fs. Essentially, this is fs. And so we can use this. And using this would affect what we're doing here. I'm going to show you guys in a minute. So we will say u c t f parentheses t minus c. And so in our case, c is 2. So we can say u 2t like this. And if you notice, we have f parentheses t minus c. And so our function of this one right here, for t, we need to do minus 2. And so our final answer will be 2 times e raised to t, e raised to t. A we know is 1, but this is where we need to change t. Instead of saying just t, we need to say t minus 2. So everywhere we have t, we have to say like t minus this 2, except for this one. Cosine, we have bt. We said b is 1, so t minus 2, minus because of this 2 right here. And so this right here is our final answer, and that's all we need to do.